In this video, you'll learn how to access Paperclip AI at Localhost 3100. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully open the application on your local machine. Begin by locating your taskbar, which is typically found at the bottom of your screen. The taskbar contains various icons and access points for applications and system functions. Next, click on the search bar located on the taskbar. This action will allow you to enter commands and search for applications installed on your computer. Type in QD into the search bar. This command will help you access the command prompt, a tool that enables you to execute various commands directly on your operating system. Once the command prompt appears in the search results, click on it to open the window. This interface will provide a space for you to input commands. In the command prompt window, type Paperclip AI run and press the enter key. This command will initiate the Paperclip AI application, allowing it to start running on your machine. After executing the command, you will need to wait for Paperclip AI to load. Depending on your computer's performance, this may take a few moments. Be patient as the application initializes. Once the loading process is complete, you will see a message indicating that Paperclip AI is running. At this point, copy the URL displayed, which will typically be http://127.0.1:310. This address is essential for accessing the application in your web browser. Now, open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. This will provide a platform to navigate to the Paperclip AI dashboard. In the browser, click on the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you will enter web addresses to navigate to specific sites. Type in the URL you copied earlier, http://27.0.0.1:310, and press enter. This action will direct your browser to the local instance of Paperclip AI. After a brief moment, the Paperclip AI dashboard should open in your browser window. You can now begin using the application and exploring its features. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.